We're almost done with our little coffee table. We were having a lot of fun with it. I just want to show you what we've done here. Our little signature move of adding a little pop of color. We've got Granny Bee's Poison Ivy where you least expect it, and we are now going to be using carbon, Polka's carbon, for the legs and the bottom piece of the table. Remember the golden rule: stir the paint well, give it a good stir. We're going to decant it into our tray, and then I'm going to coat it. So we've got an amazing mixed match of products on this table that we've used armor to lock in all the tannins, and then we've used our glazes, Granny Bee's paint. Now we've put Polka. One coat done. It looks fabulous. I'm just going to let it dry and then just see where we've missed some spots, but it's great coverage for one coat. And we are ready to seal. What we are going to be using for this project is Pappa G's clear wax. It's an amazing product. I'm going to show you how to apply it with a wax brush. The bottom piece we've done with carbon. It was one coat, few touch-ups, and that's really it. We're not sealing it. You don't have to seal it. It's not going to take lots of traffic. So we are going to leave that unsealed, and then I'm going to show you our beautiful Pappa G's clear wax. It comes in different colors. We've got it in metallic pearl, metallic gold, black, brown, and white. I'm just working it in. First coat done, but like all things, 2 coats is recommended because you do miss spots. So I'm going to cream in another coat here, and then we're going to leave it overnight, and then I'm going to show you how to shine it, how to buff it, give it a nice finish. Second coat done, worked it in nicely. Going to leave this overnight, and then we are going to be buffing it up tomorrow and try and show you on camera how amazing this finish is.